Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you're going to grab a program called HandBrake. Then you're going to take your movie file with the gyro data in it, and you are going to grab it, and you're just going to drag and drop it into HandBrake. All right, once you drag and drop it in HandBrake, you're going to change a couple things here. The MKV, there's a few things you're going to change in here, but you can set a preset, which I did right here. And I just kind of went through these things and maxed out everything as much as I could see anyway. I'm definitely not an expert at this just yet. But on the video settings, I pushed this all the way up. I pushed this to the exact frame rate that I'm flying in. I turned everything off that didn't seem necessary. And it ended up like this. So it should be lossless. And then once you do that, you just hit start encode. It's going to run through its process. It takes a little bit of time, not too bad, depending on your computer. Then you're going to go to Gyroflow. And once you go to Gyroflow, you're going to go back to your file and you're going to grab the file that had the gyro data in it. It's going to populate with the gyro data. Then you're going to grab the MKV file that you produced, and you're going to drop that into Gyroflow. All right, notice it's the same video, but no gyro data. Over here and put your settings back, however you want them. So you can see the lens profile is still there. Let's just leave it about there. You can mess with this stuff however you want to. And then I just hit auto sync. And once I finished the first round, I went ahead and went a little bit further, and I put manual point in just as the quad started moving, and I auto synced again with the manual point in there. I did see a big improvement with it being like that. I would imagine that you could put several throughout, but I don't know. I put just the one at the beginning, and the finished result is what you see. Notice that the green dots, the Gyroflow is doing what it's supposed to be doing, moving that cushy little frame around. Anyway, that's enough of that. If you want to see the whole video, I will post it as a standalone, because I don't know that everybody's going to want to do this. So I'll put it separately. Everybody have a great night, and happy flying.